Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and use MS Word in your Android phone. So let's get started. So first you have to go to Play Store and here you can search MS Word. So you will get this. So just click on this and click on install. So it is downloading. So let us wait till it's download. So now it is installing. Now guys, as you can see, it is downloaded, so we have to just open it, and it is setting up for first time use. So it is it will configure Office. So we will just click on skip for now. Mm. So now as you can see, it is opened. So now we can go to recent to see our uh, files that we have already made, and these files I have already made from my laptop, but I can now view it from mobile and edit it. So you can see this, I can see this one. So like this we can do, and we can click we can also make a document. We have to allow Office to manage all files, so I have allowed. So now you can see it has started. So first I can give my file name. For example, I am giving tech and pet, and I am uh, right, writing subscribe, like, subscribe and share. So by the way, don't forget to do these things, like, subscribe and share my channel. So this I have made. Okay, so now I can save this one. Auto save is on. So I think it has been saved. Let's check. So you can see this document is showing, so I am clicking and this is there. So I am just deleting it. I don't need it as a and I can edit it also if I am it from mobile. So I will delete this. 1 minute. So I've deleted it by mistake. So it is not opening, but there is no problem in this. So means I have problem, but you don't have any problem. So like this we can download and use Word in our phone. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.